Common idioms and meaning in English with example. Idioms. Big cheese. Meaning: an important person. Example: where is the director? I want to talk to the big cheese. Idioms. Bite off more than one can chew. Meaning: take on more responsibility than what is manageable. Example: he was multitasking and getting stressed, so I told him not to bite off more than he could chew. Idioms. Bitter pill. Meaning: something unpleasant that must be accepted. Example: awarding the trophy to her enemy was a bitter pill to swallow.